title Queen Sheba. The Queen Cheese. Queen Sheba lived in Ayod's castle. Her favorite food was cheese. She ate cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. She had a room full of cheese in her castle. This room was called the cheese room. One day, Queen Sheba asked the maid to get cheese from the cheese room. Suddenly, she heard a maid give a loud scream. She was surprised to see hundreds of mice eating her cheese. The queen told her soldiers and the maids to get rid of the mice. The mice went away, but the next day the mice were back again. So this is Hallelujah, guys. Back again. When Sheba was sad, she had to find a way to get rid of the mice. She told the king about her problem. The kind king had a bright idea. Why don't we share the cheese with the mice? He said. So the queen asked the soldiers to put some of her cheese in one of the small rooms in the castle. That room would be the cheese room for the mice. From then on, the mice stay in the small cheese room. They never went to the queen cheese room again. At last, Queen Sheba was happy. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Ma. Sumunod ay kung basa, guys. Diri na ko. Sumunod akong basa, guys. No? Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Daghang salamat. I love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.